In this video, I will show you how to decompose a time series into trend, seasonality, and residuals. Let's import pandas as PD. I will also import matplotlib. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt percentage matplotlib inline. I will read a CSV file and save it in the variable df pd.read underscore CSV, and then CSV file name is airline underscore passengers dot CSV, and then df dot head. Now here in the output you see I have a time series data. So this is the month, and this is the year, and this is the number of passengers that traveled in that year. Now let us look at the data types. Df dot d types. So we see that the month is actually an object, and we have to convert this into a date time object. I will convert it df of month, and then I will call pd dot to date time, and then df of month, and then I will also pass the format. So format is equal to, so first we have year, so that's why I will write here percentage capital Y, and then we have month, that is this 1949-01. So the second one is month. I will type here percentage small m, and now if I check df dot t types, now it should give me date time object. It says, okay, I made a mistake, I have to write here O. Now it is a date time object here. Next I have to set the month as a index now. So here you see this is a column month and thousands of passenger, but when you are working with a time series data, you have to set your index, your date time variable as an index. So let's do that, and for that you have to write df dot set underscore index, and then the variable name, that is month, and then you have to write in place is equal to true. So this operation will happen on the original data frame. And now if I check df dot head, you will see that now you see some difference here. So earlier here it was in column, and now it is in the index here. So our data frame is ready to decompose this and see the trend, seasonality, and residuals. And before that, first I will check if there are any missing values, otherwise we have to drop that. I will write here df dot is null dot sum. So there are no missing values, it is 0. Now we can make a plot. Df dot plot, and then plt dot show. Now here in the output you can see we have a time series plot here. So on the x-axis we have year, and on the y-axis we have the number of passengers, and we can see that there is an increasing trend. Every month there is an increase in the number of passengers that are traveling, and this increase, you can say that it is exponential because it is growing. Here you can see it is going like that, not just in the linear, it is not just a linear line, but it is exponential. So you can see, or you can say that there is a exponential growth in the number of passengers that are traveling every month. And now we will decompose this time series to check the trend, seasonality, and residuals, and I will also explain you what they mean. So for that, first I need to import from Statsmodels dot time series analysis dot seasonal import seasonal decompose. So we will use this seasonal decompose here. I will make one variable decompose, and then I will call this seasonal decompose, and inside this I will pass our data frame df, and then model is equal to multiplicative. Now there are two types of model. One is additive and the second one is multiplicative. If your trend is linear, then you will write here additive, but if your trend is exponential, you will write here multiplicative. And here in the chart you can see that there is an exponential growth, not just a linear means you will see a constant type of growth, but here we see there is a lot of increase in the number of passengers, so that is why I am writing here multiplicative. And now let me execute the code. Now let's plot this. I will write here plt, and then you also define the figure size. So I will write here plt figure size is equal to 12 by 4. You can just write the number of your choice, then decompose, and then plot. Now we got the plots here. So you see I am getting repetitive plot here. It is nothing but the same. So you just put here a colon and print it again. You won't see it repetition. Now we have this plot here. This is the original plot, and we see a trend here. Now the first part of this decomposition is trend. So trend, it is showing there is a growth. The trend is going in the upward direction. It is linear or exponential, you can say. Then this is seasonal. Now you see these spikes here, ups and downs, ups and downs. So this is nothing but seasonality, and this is captured by this seasonal. And now this is residual. So these are the errors. The errors are difficult and they are just a random noise. So these are the errors that you see in the time series data. So this is how you can decompose a time series, and you can check whether there is a trend or not, whether there is a seasonality or not, and how much error or residuals are there. This chart will help you a lot to decide which time series model you can use on your data set. Now in the upcoming videos I will going to make some videos on ARIMA, SARIMA, Facebook Profit, VAR, Holt Winters model. So there will be a complete time series video is coming. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, you can subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.